So look how much this increased. They went from poor credit 576 to 767. This item was deleted off the credit report. And y'all see the dates over here, February 24th, 2025. Collections are one of the things that you should address because oftentimes this will drag your credit score. And when you look at the amount, it doesn't matter what the amount is, but right here you can see this is only $485, right? So this is something that is so small that it shouldn't be dragging down your credit score, but in a lot of cases it does. And oftentimes, you know, people will just forget about certain things, utilities or phone bills or cable bills, and then it goes to collections and it reports on your credit report. As you can see right here, right? This account is scheduled to continue on record until May of 2028. Now, that's over 3 years from now. You could let it age off naturally, or you can dispute it. I would imagine most people will probably need to use their credit for some type of financing or some type of, let's say if you need a business loan or you need a credit card or you're trying to purchase a home and you need financing. Oftentimes, if you have collections on your credit report, that can prevent you from being able to utilize financing. And for such a small amount, this is something that should not be holding you back. All right, so here we have another example. We have Avant Web Bank credit card. All right, so this is a low limit credit card. As y'all can see, you know, they only owed what, $245 on this credit card. It was reporting late and it was dragging their credit score. So again, this is just another example. Again, before and after this item was deleted off the credit report, this reported a 30-day late and a 60-day late. And then they brought the account back to good standing. Now, here's the thing. Just because an account is now in good standing and it once had a 30-day, 60-day, or 90-day late, that does not mean that that credit account is helping you. It's actually harming you because it's going to put a delinquency flag on your credit report and it's automatically going to put you in a high risk category. So my rule of thumb is that anytime any account has late information, there's really nothing you can salvage. That account has to come off your credit report or you're just going to be in a high risk category. Now, as it says right here, by February 2030, this account is scheduled to go to a positive status. Statute of limitations is 7 years past the date of the delinquency. All right, so 7 years. So it went late back in 2023. So it's going to take 7 years for this negative information right here to naturally age off their credit report. Think about how much financing needs you might have until then, right? Not to say you can't get approved, but again, you're going to get approved for these subprime cards, high interest rates. So don't think just because you had some late payments and now the account is current that everything is good to go, because that's still going to haunt you. As it says right here, by February 2030. So that's still a long time from now. So you should definitely have these things addressed. Here's another example, Celtic Bank Continental Finance. All right, so this was a $900 balance that was charged off. All right, so when we look at the payment history, 30, 60 days, and then it went to collections. All right, and this is from 2020, right? So this goes all the way back to 2020. It's 2025 right now. So, you know, this little $900 should not be holding you back in 2025. That's why I urge you guys, if you have these types of accounts on your credit report, click the link down in the description of the video or just shoot us a text. I have a dedicated number for anyone to just text us if you have any questions, comments. If you need us to look at your credit profile, just shoot us a text. We'll look at your credit profile and map out a game plan to get you on the right track. Now, again, there's no reason why this $900, charge off from, 4 or 5 years ago should be holding you back. So January 22nd, 2025, y'all see right here, they have a 576. They got a 767 FICO score. So look how much this increased. They went from poor credit, 576 to 767. Hold up. So that's like 190 something points, right? 190 points that they were able to increase their FICO score within a month, maybe not even a full month. They were able to skyrocket their credit score. Actually, it was just a couple of weeks. Their credit score skyrocketed nearly 200 points. All right. So that's the type of results that we're able to deliver for clients. because we're the #1 credit restoration company in the United States. I mean, I talk to people all the time, you know, they've been working with this company, they've been working on their credit for 2 years, 18 months. There should be no reason why it's taking you 2 years to fix your credit. It's either you don't know what the heck you're doing, or whoever's fixing your credit does not know what they're doing. We get results. We show you guys recent receipts. We can show you multiple leads. I can do videos like this every single day, but I don't. But I just wanted to share this with you. Now, for those who've been sitting on the sideline and you need to get your credit in order, we have a St. Patrick's Day special where we're offering our discounted rates. So you can click the link in the description of the video. You can schedule a consultation. You can call our 800 number, or you can text us directly. All this information is linked and pinned in the comment section in the description of this video. In 2025, banks are not tolerating bad derogatory credit. They're saying that we might be heading towards a recession. So your data points need to be on point. Your credit needs to be on point going forward. And the other reason why you should fix your credit is because there's going to be a lot of opportunities if we do go to this next recession. And so if you do have good credit, you're going to be favored when it comes to the lenders. The lenders are going to want to put resources in your hands, such as loans, credit lines, lines of credit, and then you can take that money and invest in assets that are going to be coming at a discount right now. And as y'all can see, the real estate market, crypto, stock market, everything's going to be on sale. So you need to position your credit so you can participate in the capital markets and build your wealth. So do me a favor right now, click the link in the description of the video. If you've been on the sidelines, if you've been working with a company, they're not getting you results, give us a shot. We're the #1 credit restoration company in America, hands down. We get the best results day in, day out, week in, week out. We really do this. So click the link down in the description of the video. We got the St. Patrick's Day special going on right now where we can get you the best credit restoration for a good, low, competitive rate. That's all for today. Until next time, take it easy, and we'll talk to you soon. Peace.